Hello, we're going to check out this 2020 Kia Telluride with the Freedom wheelchair accessible conversion. Vehicle's in nice shape overall. Got good tires on here. It's a used vehicle with low miles, so it is much less expensive than a brand new one. It does have a brand new conversion on it from Freedom that we'll show you. This vehicle has the advanced entry keys, so you don't have to use the buttons on the fob. You can actually just lock and unlock the door here to be able to get into it. Freedom went through and added their rear entry conversion here. This is the LX V6 Telluride. So how this works is you're just gonna open up the manual liftgate here, and then the ramp sits next to the door here. So you grab the handle, you just pull it out. It is actually spring assisted, so it's pretty lightweight, and it's all aluminum. So you've got that bifold there to reduce the angle of the ramp when you come in. You've got a spare tire there, and then the seat belt, shoulder strap, and then you've got the pucks here that you'll use the straps to lock down the wheelchair. So the wheelchair sits in this middle position here, and then the two seats here are bucket seats for ambulatory passengers, and then we've got the two seats up front. You got climate control overhead, and then we'll go check out the inside. So once you're in the vehicle, Kia did a really nice job making the Telluride very luxury inside here. You've got Bluetooth, cruise control, nice big screen here. This is touchscreen, so you can change the channels and play all the different audio that you can connect. Got your climate control here. And this vehicle has blind spot monitoring, so it's on. So that blind spot in the mirror there will show up when you've got somebody in your blind spot and they're going at least 20 miles an hour. Nice accents throughout the whole car. Makes for a great setup. Thanks for checking it out. Let us know if you'd like to see it in person.